Very good afternoon, my dear viewers. How are you doing? Thank God we are doing very fine. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Today I am with you after a long time because I was busy, that's why I could not make video. So this video is dedicated to all of you. So today's recipe, my dear friends, I took a couple of fresh fruits, sweet oranges, beetroot, apple and banana. First of all, I have squeezed sweet oranges manually. You can see this manual machine. And beetroot, I took one beetroot, cut into small pieces, and I have already blended with little bit water added. Very nicely I blended, and after that I added apple and banana too. So this is the cocktail, today's video. In this one I always use little bit, pinch of salt and black pepper little bit, but everyone has their own choices. If you don't like it, don't add it. And this cocktail is always very nice. I have tried one by one each fruit separately, and I have tried cocktail after mixing all the fruit juice, which is squeezed manually and blended in the blender, beetroots and apple and banana. I always try my best to take care of my health because as always doctor says that every fruit has different kind of vitamins and minerals, so this is good for our health. So I try my best to keep it my good health on track. So I request all of you also take care on daily basis. Very nice talking to you and meeting you through YouTube video. I hope you guys are doing fine. I pray for all of you. Stay blessed, take care, and at the end I would like to request you, please help me to grow my channel, and try your best to watch as much as you can my all videos, like it, share it with different friends and families on different medias, and at the end, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is my humble request. This is free, so nice of you. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can receive all my incoming videos. You will be notified as soon as my new video is uploaded. So nice of you. Thanks for your great time. Have a good day. With best regards and greetings from Pakistan. Bye bye.